Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, and Solitaire Cash. All use skill-based cash tournaments, but they are not the same type of game. So the best choice depends on whether you care more about bingo gameplay, competition format, or having more than one game style. By the end, you'll know what separates these three apps and which one makes the most sense for different types of players. Bingo Cash is the most direct choice if you specifically want bingo. The gameplay centers on completing bingo cards while competing in cash prize tournaments where available. That makes it the simplest option of the three if you search for a bingo app and don't want a completely different game. The main thing to check before playing is whether cash tournaments and withdrawals are available in your location. Also check the current entry fees, prize structure, and withdrawal requirements inside the app. Blackout Bingo takes a similar skill-based approach but focuses specifically on Blackout Bingo. Instead of traditional bingo, where you may be trying to complete a smaller pattern, the objective is built around covering the required spaces on the card. That difference matters because your results depend on how quickly and accurately you can play. If you already enjoy fast-paced bingo, Blackout Bingo can be more appealing than a slower bingo format. Before entering a paid tournament, check the current entry cost and prize amount displayed for that specific contest. Those details can vary by tournament. Then there's Solitaire Cash. This is the odd one out because it isn't a bingo game at all. It uses solitaire instead, with competitive cash tournaments available in supported locations. That makes Solitaire Cash a better fit if you like card games and want the same general cash tournament concept without playing bingo. So which one is best? Choose a Bingo Cash if you want a straightforward bingo-focused experience. Choose a Blackout Bingo if you prefer blackout-style gameplay and faster, competitive rounds. Choose Solitaire Cash if you'd rather play solitaire than bingo. There's also one detail you shouldn't ignore. Cash game availability, entry requirements, and withdrawal options can depend on your location and the current app rules. Don't assume that an app offering cash tournaments in one country will offer the same features everywhere. Before depositing money, open the app's tournament and withdrawal sections, confirm that cash play is available to you, and check the current entry fees and cash out requirements. The quick takeaway is simple. Bingo Cash for bingo, Blackout Bingo for blackout-style competition, and Solitaire Cash for card game fans. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.